Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your teacher's health card to Apple Wallet in 2026. So first of all, you need to go to the App Store and you need to install the My Teacher Health application on your device. Then simply log in using your membership details. Now, when you log in, you are going to see the home screen. So underneath the home screen, you are going to see a bunch of different tabs. So among those tabs, you just have to simply look for the option of digital card. This is going to show your membership card inside the app. Now you are going to see the option of add to Apple Wallet. So when you're able to find this particular button, simply tap on it. Now follow further prompts and confirm it. This way your card will be added as a wallet pass in your Apple Wallet. So once it is added, simply open your Apple Wallet, select your teacher's health card, and now you can use it directly from your iPhone or Apple Watch. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.